Number 1.
1987 Chevrolet R10, price $8,500, finished in a striking silver exterior with a contrasting blue interior. It has only 79,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Running on gasoline, this R10 is one of the rare models from 1987 to feature factory power windows and power door locks, both of which are still fully functional. The truck starts, runs, and drives exceptionally well for its age, offering a solid and enjoyable ride. While it's not flawless, understandably, given that it's nearly 40 years old, it still looks, sounds, and performs impressively. It consistently turns heads at car shows and during weekend drives, standing out boldly in today's crowd of modern vehicles. The current owner has primarily used it for leisure, taking it out on weekends and to car meets. Though they appreciate its charm and presence, they simply no longer have a strong need for the truck.
Number 2.
1988 Mazda B-Series, price $2,450, with 170,000 original miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This particular truck features a carbureted engine that starts and runs, and although it hasn't been driven regularly in recent years, it still runs and drives well.
A tune-up is recommended to bring it back to peak performance.
The air conditioning is fully functional, providing comfort during hot days, while the manual windows keep things simple and dependable. Inside, it has rear cab folding bench seats, offering additional room for passengers or gear. The truck also comes with a set of brand new tires, making it ready to hit the road after some light servicing.
The registration is currently under non-operation status, so there are no late fees due, and all paperwork is in order. Overall, it's a nice vintage work truck with strong potential. It just needs a basic tune-up to truly shine.
Number 3. 1994 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,500. It's powered by a 5.3L V8 LS swap with approximately 130,000 miles on the engine, paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission and a 40K cooler for improved durability. The truck runs and drives well but would benefit from a simple tune-up to reach its full potential. Finished in a bold red exterior, the Silverado stands out with its distinctive 454 style rims and matching 454 mirrors. Additional performance enhancements include an MSD coil pack system, a cold air intake, and rear drop shackles that give it a sportier stance. It's also equipped with power windows, a full sound system, and modern LED strip headlights, offering a mix of comfort, style, and performance. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, well-maintained truck with a clean title and 240,000 miles on the odometer.
It features a strong V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
Despite its mileage, the truck drives and runs great, having recently made the trip from Buckeye to Phoenix without any issues. The exterior is finished in white and still presents well, while the interior is clean and functional. It comes equipped with cold air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks for added convenience. The truck sits lower thanks to a professionally done 4/6 drop, giving it a sleek stance and improved handling. Additional recent maintenance includes a brand new battery, and the tires still have about 85% tread remaining.
The registration tags are current, making it ready for the road. Number 5.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, full-size pickup with 162,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. It features a brown exterior with a tan interior, combining classic style with everyday utility. The truck has been updated with new interior door panels, handles, and locks, along with new tow mirrors replacing the broken originals. It now rides on stock rims and includes an 8-foot soft tonneau cover. The original brush guard and toolbox have been removed. There is a minor radiator leak, but the seller will either repair it or include a replacement radiator.
The headliner fabric has been removed, though the insulation is intact and clean. Overall, it's a clean, well-maintained truck with useful upgrades, ready to drive or customize further. Number 6.
1990 Ford F-150, price $4,950, equipped with a strong 5.0L V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, offering plenty of power for both everyday use and heavier workloads. The four-wheel drive system functions flawlessly, making it ready for off-road tasks or challenging weather conditions. Finished in white with a red interior, the truck presents well for its age. The body features straight panels and solid paint, showing minimal wear, while the interior, though basic, remains functional and clean. The extended cab design provides extra space in the rear, ideal for carrying gear, tools, or additional passengers. The air conditioning blows cold, and the factory radio is still in working condition, adding to the truck's practicality.
Number 7.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, well-maintained long bed pickup finished in matching burgundy exterior and interior. It has an automatic transmission and has traveled approximately 218,000 miles. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine, making it ideal for both daily driving and light-duty hauling. The truck features a brand-new front-end suspension, new exhaust system with headers, freshly replaced rotors and drums, and a completely new interior that enhances both comfort and style. Despite its age and mileage, this Chevrolet 1500 runs and drives great and is currently used as a daily driver. Its reliable performance and recent upgrades make it a solid classic truck for anyone looking for dependability with vintage charm. Number 8. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, well-maintained diesel-powered truck with an automatic transmission and a matching tan exterior and interior. It has 175,000 miles on the odometer and remains in solid running and driving condition. Originally purchased by the Highway Department, the truck served as an inspector's vehicle and was never subjected to heavy work. Throughout its life, it has been properly maintained and remains dependable. It comes equipped with 2 new batteries and very good tires. The truck starts, runs, drives, and stops as it should. There is a minor fuel leak somewhere, but the current owner has not had time to locate the source due to having too many ongoing projects.
Number 9.
1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,000, classic pickup with around 98,000 miles. It sports a silver exterior and burgundy interior, powered by a 1979 carbureted 5.0L 305 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The engine features a high-rise Edelbrock intake and carburetor, along with a true dual exhaust system. Though the mufflers were modified by the previous owner, the truck starts easily and runs well, but it needs a few fixes: alignment work, non-working blinkers, a passenger door that won't open from the outside, and old tires that need replacing. Running on gasoline, the Sierra blends vintage style with muscle and is a solid base for further restoration or weekend driving.
Number 10.
1969 Chevrolet C10, price $7,900, with just 77,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a factory original 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it runs strong and shifts smoothly. The truck features its original factory installed air conditioning, a rare and desirable option for this year. Finished in black on the outside with a blue interior, it maintains much of its original character and charm. This C10 is an excellent candidate for a restoration project or can be enjoyed as a clean survivor in its current condition. It comes with a clean and clear Arizona title, and the body is solid, typical of dry climate vehicles. Original, mostly untouched examples like this are becoming increasingly hard to find, making it a valuable choice for classic truck enthusiasts.